Welcome to our channel. The top 5 Radiator Stop Leaks to fix your coolant leaks fast in 2025. These are the most reliable and efficient products to get you back on the road without costly repairs. Links to all the products are in the description. Stick around to see which one is right for your vehicle. Number 5. Bars Leaks 1186. Liquid aluminum stop leak is a trusted all-in-one solution for tackling coolant system issues quickly and effectively. Specially formulated to seal radiator leaks, freeze plug leaks, heater core leaks, and repair gasket leaks. This 16.9 OZ product is ideal for both emergency fixes and preventative maintenance. One of its standout features is its ability to lower water temperature, improving overall engine efficiency. It's compatible with all types of antifreeze and easy to apply. Just pour it into the radiator or overflow tank. With its compact size and 12.8 oz weight, it's a great product to keep in your vehicle for on-the-go fixes. This stop leak is a favorite in professional shops, with one mechanic noting, "I always buy them for use in the shop." That level of endorsement speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. Manufactured by Bars Leaks, a brand known for innovation and quality in automotive repair products, the 1186 model is painted and built to last. It's not discontinued and remains widely available, making it a dependable option for ongoing maintenance needs. For quick, affordable repairs to cooling system leaks, Bars Leaks 1186 Liquid Aluminum Stop Leak is a product that delivers on its promises. Number 4. Bars Leaks 1109 Liquid Copper Block. Seal is an excellent go-to product for quickly and permanently repairing cooling system leaks. This 18 OZ solution uses sodium silicate, commonly known as liquid glass, to effectively seal leaks in radiators, intake manifolds, head gaskets, freeze plugs, and heater cores. It's compatible with all cooling systems, including those found in cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, and RVs. What makes this product stand out is its one-step, no-drain application. Simply pour it into your radiator and let it get to work. It's safe for use with all types of antifreeze, including traditional green and modern extended life coolants: yellow, red, blue, pink, purple, and orange. The formula includes fiber additives that bond with the liquid to form a strong, durable seal that won't clog your system. Sized at 7.5 or 2.6 inches and weighing 18 ounces, it's easy to store and handle. Many users report positive experiences. One satisfied customer stated, "Worked great for me. I had a small leak in my radiator, and this product worked. Really easy to use and fast acting." For anyone needing a reliable and permanent seal for coolant leaks, Bars Leaks 1109 Liquid Copper Block Seal is a smart, affordable solution that delivers results. Number 3. Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak is a trusted and effective solution for sealing leaks in automotive cooling systems. This 850 ml silver finished product is part of Liqui Moly's premium line of additives and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, tractors, ATVs, vans, buses, and more. Weighing just 11.2 ounces, it's compact, easy to store, and simple to use. Designed for use in both cooling water and heating systems, with or without water filters, this stop leak acts immediately upon application, sealing leaks to prevent coolant loss and engine damage. It also protects the combustion chamber from coolant intrusion, which can cause significant performance issues if left unchecked. Using the product is hassle-free. Just pour it into your coolant reservoir or radiator and drive. One user noted, "Very helpful, stopped my coolant leak. Just poured it into the plastic reservoir and drove for 25 minutes. Next day checked, no leak, great product." That kind of real-world success demonstrates its reliability. Liqui Moly is a brand known for German engineering and high-quality automotive products. If you're looking for a fast, clean, and professional-grade fix for radiator or heater core leaks, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak is a smart and dependable choice. Number 2. Liqui Moly's 150 ml Radiator Stop Leak is a compact but powerful solution for sealing minor leaks in your vehicle's cooling system. Designed with precision and quality, this German-engineered additive helps protect your engine from coolant loss and potential overheating, making it an essential addition to any car maintenance toolkit. Housed in a durable plastic bottle with a convenient twist-on cap, this product is easy to apply. Just pour it directly into the radiator or reservoir. At only 0.21 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to store. Its quick-acting formula works with most vehicle types and is safe for both metal and plastic components in your cooling system. A key point to consider is dosage. One 150 ml bottle treats up to 8 liters, around 2.1 gallons, of coolant. If your system holds more like the user who commented, "Put it on my Jeep," seems to work. Only consideration, one bottle is for 8 liters of coolant. My system is 3 gallons. I should have bought more. You may need to purchase multiple bottles for full effectiveness. Overall, Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak 150 ml is a smart, reliable fix for small leaks. Just be sure to calculate the correct amount for your vehicle to get the best results. Number 1. K-Seal ST526 is an exceptional solution for permanently fixing coolant leaks in heavy-duty vehicles. This 16 OZ bottle provides a simple, one-step fix that works quickly to seal leaks in radiators, head gaskets, freeze plugs, engine blocks, heater cores, and water pumps. Its advanced formula actively finds and seals holes and cracks without harming your engine's cooling performance. One of the biggest advantages of K-Seal is its easy application. There's no need to drain or flush your cooling system. Just shake the bottle, pour it in, and drive as usual. It's compatible with all types of antifreeze, making it ideal for commercial trucks, agricultural machinery, and industrial vehicles. Mechanics trust K-Seal for its professional-grade, non-corrosive formula that delivers long-lasting repairs without clogging cooling passages. The product is independently tested and meets ASTM D3147 standards, assuring quality and reliability. A happy customer said, "Works as advertised, fantastic product. Succeeded where bars leaks failed. 1990, F250, WW460, and constant coolant leak front of head below thermostat. Stopped leak within 5 minutes of adding product to radiator. Would definitely purchase again." If you need a fast, dependable, and permanent coolant leak repair for heavy-duty engines, K-Seal ST5516 is a proven, cost-effective choice you can rely on. Thanks for tuning in to our top 5 radiator stop leaks to fix your coolant leaks fast in 2025. If you're ready to stop leaks and save money, be sure to check the links in the description for all the products. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time for more car care tips.